Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this session, we'll discuss SAP WM Important Parameters. So the agenda for this session is Interim Storage Bin and Quant. So let's start with Interim Storage Bin. Suppose your material is placed at inventory management, that is at storage location level, and you want to move your material at WM level, that is at warehouse. So a bridge is required between IM and WM. So the material will first move to interim storage area, then it will move to warehouse management. So interim storage area act as a bridge between IM and WM. All the movements that take place in warehouse is via interim storage area. Then next we have Quant. Whenever a material is placed in a storage bin, a number is generated that we called as Quant. So Quant describes the stock of material with same features produced at the same time. Secondly, Quant is the smallest unit of warehouse. Thirdly, whenever goods are moved to storage bin, Quant number is always generated. So let's do all these functions practically.
Warehouse management is just a precise or mirror view of inventory management. Now, question arises how warehouse management is linked to inventory management. Suppose a material is received at storage location, then how material will directly move to storage bin? So, we have intermediate storage areas between storage location and storage bin. So these intermediate storage areas are known as interim storage bins or interim storage areas. So to define interim storage areas, you need to go to display IMG page. So enter SPRO in command field. Now select SAP reference IMG. This will navigate you to display IMG page. Now, to define important component that links inventory management and warehouse management, you need to go to logistic execution. Now select warehouse management. Now select interfaces. In interfaces, select inventory management. Now select generate interim storage bins. This will navigate you to the other page. Here you need to enter your warehouse number. So I am entering test data here. Now click on execute. After executing, it will display your storage types and storage bins. These storage types and storage bin are classified as interim storage type and interim storage bins. So for your warehouse, interim storage bins has been generated. Now other important terminology that comes after storage bin is Quant. Quant is termed as the smallest unit in warehouse management. Suppose if we have 25 materials which have same characteristics and they are moved to two same storage bin, a Quant number will be generated automatically. So you can display this Quant number by going to transaction code /n ls03n. This is transaction code for displaying of storage bin. On display storage bin page, you need to enter your warehouse number, storage type and storage bin. I am entering test data here. Now press enter. Now to display Quant that is generated corresponding to this storage bin, click on stock. Here you can see that this material under this plant and storage location has been moved to this storage bin. It's a bit slow, so we'll just display Quant. To display Quant, you need to select this material line and click on Quant. This will display the Quant that is generated corresponding to this material corresponding to this storage bin. So here you can see that your warehouse number, your storage type, your storage bin and this material has been moved to this storage bin and quant number 269 has been generated automatically. So in this session we have seen how to generate interim storage bin and how to display quant, and in next session we will see WM associated terminologies like transfer requirement and transfer order.